Hey folks, Alan here again, and I wanted to wish you a congratulations on your purchase of your 2017 Forest River Coachman Freedom Express. And this is your walkthrough demonstration how-to video. So the scenario is you just got to your campsite, you just unhooked your trailer from your truck, and the first thing you're gonna do is probably turn on your propane. That's gonna run your stove and your water heater if that's what you desire. So you reach inside here, you turn on either one of the propane cylinders. So you're unhitched. The next thing you're going to do is put down your stabilizer jacks we talked about. So you have that handle, you put down your stabilizer jacks just enough to reach the ground and make them sturdy and support the weight of the trailer to stop it from rocking. So you'll put all four of those down. Then here is your sewer connection setup we spoke about. So you have the hoses inside there. If you're not, you can choose to get your own hoses and use them. And this cap comes off with a half twist. And then you put the hose here, again a half twist. Put the other end of that hose into the ground. And then you have two valves here. So this here, the one on your left, is your black sewer water tank, and all the way out is open. And then here on this side is your gray, which is your sink and shower water with the gray handle, and you would pull it all the way out to open it up and let everything drain through here and into the hose and out the septic. The same thing on the back side. There's one here for your kitchen. There's another connection there, so you could run both hoses with a Y and connect them together and let them both run into the septic. And then there's another valve right there. You pull it this way, and now everything is open for that. You could hook up your 50 amp cord that goes right here. It only goes in one way and does a half twist and locks in position. This is where your cable connection would go. So some of your RV parks give you cable. So you put your coax wire to the park's cable connection and then into here, and that'll supply your trailer. Here would be your outside shower. You open that up, it's got two valves in there, hot and cold water and a shower head, just like in your shower, to give you outside shower capability. Your garden hose will connect right here. We're on the back side of the trailer. Your garden hose connects right here, just your standard garden hose from the RV park to the trailer, connects right here. This bottom connection, see it says right here, city water connection. That's where the hose goes on top. The bottom one is for your black sewer tank clean out drain. So you hook that up after you're done, and you could put clean water to run through your black water holding tank to flush it out and clean it. This is your water heater. This is where the exhaust comes out of when it's up on gas, when it's running. Your fire will be here for your burner system, and this is the exhaust for it. This is just the back side of your fridge. This is where it drains, and this is how the fridge breathes for ventilation. And then you would put up and down your steps. So they're down right now. I will show you how to put them up. So the bottom one you'd lift up into the other one, and then you grab the middle part here and just push back on it, and that's the way they ride. So when you get to where you're going, you grab the middle, you pull it down, kind of hard to do one-handed, and then you pull the other one, and there's your steps. And now we'll go up into the inside. Okay, so we're inside now. The first thing you would do is put the slide rooms out like we talked about yesterday and we seen. The white button is for your slide room, in or out. So it'll be in when you get there and when you're traveling, and then you push down on the button for out, and it'll make this slide room go out. And then the same we did yesterday for the bedroom, that switch right here on the wall, in or out. So you're going to slide out both rooms. And then you would go over here to your refrigerator. I already have it turned on, and you just hit this one button that says off and on. So right now it's on. That's what it looks like when it's off. There's no lights. And then you push that button, that light for auto comes on. That's all you need to do for your fridge. It's already getting cold. I had it on since this morning. It's getting really cold. But that's how you turn on your fridge. Your microwave is used just like a regular household microwave. It's just you set like that. Your stove is a gas burner. So all you do is you go here to highlight and then hit the sparker. The sparker's all the way to your left. If you want to do the back one, you turn on the gas, highlight, hit the sparker, and that's how you light your top burners. Just like that. So your water heater is already on. So I will show you the water's been connected like I showed you from the hose, and that water right now is burning hot. I don't know if you can see the steam in the video, but it's really hot. And I have it running on gas. So to turn your water heater on gas or electric, you would walk right here, just left of the TV, next to the thermostat for your air conditioner is this unit we talked about yesterday also. And this button here on the bottom, it says those two buttons to your right, the middle and all the way right, is for your water heater. So it says water heater. The middle red button says LP gas, and the other one says electric. So the one that's illuminated right now is your gas side water heater. So once your propane is turned on, if you want to run it on propane, you just come here and hit that button. It lights itself. If you ever see this little button come on, this little light, I mean, between the two buttons, if you ever see that come on, that means it failed to light. So either you ran out of propane, or there was some air in the lines, or something failed with the system. So that little hole right there is off. So that means everything is good. It's working. Now, if you want to use it on the electric side, there's nothing you need to do but just hit electric. So you turn off the gas side, because remember it says LP gas, and this one says electric. So you just hit the button for electric, and now your water heater is running on electric. This here is for your air conditioner, your thermostat, and for your furnace. So to do AC, the bottom button says off, on, and mode. And every time you mash the button, this light will illuminate. So right now it's fan. And then if you want to go to cool, that's for your AC. You set your desired temperature. Right now we'll put it at about 60. And then it's on a time delay, so it's going to take a few seconds. There it goes. So now your AC is on like you seen yesterday. Most of your lights are going to be right here on the bottom. One runs the porch light. There's a light underneath the step that illuminates at night. And then some of your ceiling lights work from that switch. So you have these 4 or 5 on the ceiling. They all came on with that one switch. And then a lot of these other lights, you have a switch on the light to turn them on. They don't work off this. Now, this other light here that's above your dining room table, it has a little black button right there that you turn on, and that turns that light on. And then for here, in your bedroom, these 2 lights have their own switch again on the lights for your bedroom. And then these little reading lights that indicate blue have our own little switch right there. That's pretty much how you turn those on. Your other air conditioner here, it's going to run on its own. So it doesn't work off of that front thermostat. It has like knobs here, just like a window unit would, if you will. And here's your indicator. And every time you turn it, it's low fan, you know, high fan. There's your indicator right there. And then you can go all the way to cool. I still have the other one running, so I'll turn that one off and show you that one when you're here. But that's how you put that on. In fact, I'll kill it. When you're done, you just go back to off. Here we are in the bathroom. So this is your glass sliding shower door. It has a little latch right here. When you're traveling, that's how you're supposed to travel. You open it, and then of course these move, and that's closed. And of course you open it like this all the way, and then you latch it when you're not using it. That keeps it from flying around when you're traveling. Your bathroom here has a foot flush right at the bottom. It holds a little bit of water at the base, and every time you push that down, the toilet flushes and releases water into the toilet and flushes that. Your sink, just a regular sink, off on, hot and cold. Water's really hot. And this is your master switch for your overhead lights in here. And that shuts those off very simply. So folks, that's pretty much all of the operation, how to work everything and turn everything on. Your TV is going to have a little strap that you have to strap down when you're traveling. And then when you're done, you just squeeze these two buckles together, these two side pieces, and it just opens up and you can swivel your TV, and we can talk about that more tomorrow. Pretty much that's all your major appliances, your slide rooms. That's how you turn them on and use them. Like I said, very, very simple. They made these things really easy. The awning we talked about yesterday, which if you forgot, it works on that black switch right there. Out is to roll out and in is to close it. And the white one, remember, is your slide. They're marked. It says awning and this one says slide room. So they're not too different, but yet you're pretty well labeled so you don't make a mistake. They're pretty easy to figure out. So yeah, that should be it. If you have any other questions, always feel free to call me. Hopefully that helped you guys out. And if you have any questions later, just let me know. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Again, congratulations on your purchase of your 2017 Forest River Coachman Freedom Express. Thank you, folks.